So what are we doing then?
Well, we've been asked to tell you a little bit about Sleeping Beauty, which is our rock and roll pantomime at Clwyd Theatr Cymru this year.
25th of November until the 28th of January.
There you go. So there should be plenty of opportunity for you to come and see it if you want to. My name's Daniel and I play King Camelot this year.
And my name is Phil and I play Nurse Taffeta Trot.
And for those of you who may have seen the Panto in the past, it's got all those great elements again this year. It's got a cast of 10 multi-instrumental actor musicians.
Cast of 10s. Yeah, cast of 10s.
Castanets.
Castanets, got them, they're all there.
Yeah.
Marvellous actors, marvellous musicians.
Yeah.
Very funny gags. Very, very funny gags. Very funny.
And some dreadful gags as well.
Yeah, even worse.
Yeah. Even worse than last year.
Yeah.
And we've got Dame Taffeta Trot.
Ah, yeah!
Yes, there she is. There she is.
In the flesh.
Yes. What else have we got?
We got James Haggy. He's back.
James Haggy's back.
Hi, James Haggy. Look.
No, we mustn't do that.
No, mustn't do
he
that.
He gets very sensitive about
yeah,
things like
sorry,
that.
mate. Sorry.
Sorry about that.
Sorry about that. Got great new cast as well.
Yeah, we have.
Great princesses and fairies and baddies. They're all there.
I think actually this is the best panto yet.
I've always said that. I think Sleeping Beauty is the best panto. It's marvellous.
And I would know because I've done 7.
You done 7 in a row?
Yeah, in a row.
Yeah, because I've done 7.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've done 7.
You've done them in a row?
Not in a row.
There you go.
No.
It's not a competition.
But well, it's not a competition. But I've done 2 Aladdins. How many have you done?
1 Aladdin, but I've done them all though, haven't I, in a row?
Yeah, but you haven't done 2 Aladdins.
No, I don't want to do 2 Aladdins.
Never mind. This is Sleeping Beauty. It's better than Aladdin.
Yeah, it's better, a lot better.
Yeah. And this is my second Sleeping Beauty.
Yeah.
How many have you done?
This is my first Sleeping Beauty, but I've done all 7 of them in a row.
All right. Well, we'll see.
There you go. I played Dick Whittington. I played Jack.
You were good in Dick Whittington.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
You had a good review for that.
I did. Yeah. The stage. What did the review say? It said that I was a satisfyingly chunky dick.
Yeah, we all remember that.
Which is a review that gets printed off every year and stuck on my dressing room door.
Very good it was. You were very good at that.
Thank you.
And you Jack as well?
I'm Jack, from a Jack to a King.
From a Jack to a King, King Camelot. You had to go up that beanstalk in Jack, didn't you?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
What happened there?
Well, I almost fell off.
Yeah, that was very funny.
That was funny.
That was the funniest bit in the show,
Yeah,
that was.
That was funny, man. I hurt myself quite badly.
Yeah, marvellous. Well, there we go then. So, we've got her in it as well.
Oh yeah, we better introduce you to Mini-Me.
There she is there. Look at her likeness.
Yeah, she's exactly like me, isn't she?
Like me? She's my Mini-Me?
Yeah, yeah.
What you got the moustache on for?
Yeah.
Very good. So, come and see us, having lots of fun on stage with you.
And with me.
With you as well.
Yeah, I'm there.
Because you are the
forget that sometimes, don't
yeah,
you?
we are. Because you've done 7 in a row.
I have, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, he's good, she's better, and I'm the best. So come and see us all. Sleeping Beauty, 25th of November to the 28th of December.
Hey.
January.
That's it, yeah.
Wishful thinking. There we go.
If only.